Sound Blaster Roar has 5 speakers, 3 3-inch drivers for mid-range and bass are powered by one amplifier and 2 1.5-inch high-end drivers are powered by another amp. The speakers are aimed in 3 different directions, as a means, Creative says, of filling a room with sound instead of creating a specific sweet spot. This is theoretically beneficial for use in loud environments, such as parties. Users can also press a button that, according to the company, instantly boosts the loudness, depth and spaciousness of the audio.
Thank you for watching this video.